It's me, Freedom McFly, coming to you with another tutorial here. One thing I wanted to cover was, the power of social networking. One thing I think is really, really cool is that we can always stay interconnected. We can always, use our phones, use our computers, use all kind of different tools to stay up to beat on things. As you can see right here, it's kind of funny that it's breaking news, very quick information, very fast as far as around the world and everything. But one thing that I got myself caught up into was the merit of, I have a Facebook, I have a Twitter, I have all the above. And when I first signed up for Google Plus, when it first kind of was introduced, I went on there and I tried to pretty much create a new Twitter and a new Facebook, in reference to, I started to add all my friends that I already had on those other networks to this network. And I said, man, it's kind of redundant for me to go in and, update the same status update 3 different places. I know there's tools out there that will do it for me where you can kind of just update all 3 of them at one time, but still, I just thought it was too much. But one thing that I kind of found out, and what I got to thinking about was, as I re-signed up for Google Plus here, I said to myself, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to add a lot of random people. And that's exactly what I did. If we go to my profile, or actually my circles, I currently have 805 people in my circles, and you see I named this circle right here, random people I found online. And basically what I'm doing here, I have my YouTube channel and I want people to see my videos. I want to help people, new Mac users that do not necessarily understand how to use their Macs, and that's the whole premise behind my whole entire channel, is kind of helping people on, things that they might be unclear on when it comes to, especially those people that are converting over from a PC to a Mac. It's kind of like they're a little bit lost. So I just want to help people out. So one thing that I really want to bring to your awareness of between Google Plus and Facebook, let me get to my Google Plus homepage here. One thing, it's almost like they're so similar. It's like you almost don't even know the difference between the two. Actually, here's another little tip too. When you have different tabs you're working here, you can grab this tab and you can pull it off and make it its own separate page here. So I grab this page right here. I'm going to pull it over here. I'm going to do page snapping. And I'm going to show you a side-by-side comparison, and look at the similarity between the two. It's pretty cool. But this one's right here is more intimate, more personal. I kind of know most of the people here on my Facebook. Even if you want to join me on Facebook, I have no problem you joining me. My page is Freedom McFly. Search Freedom McFly over here on Facebook. And then I also have created, a fan page, because I feel kind of bad. The personal people I know, I kind of feel kind of bad dropping my videos over there all the time. I feel like I'm spamming them, so I kind of created a business page. You see I only have 1 like. Let's get that together, people. Let's help me out here. Come follow me. The business side, my personal side, whatever. And you'll see that, they look so much similar. They're so similar compared to each other, side by side. It's amazing, But, let's, really give some thought behind what you're doing on these social networks. Is this one right here personal and this one right here business? Because I think that's how they really should be used, as far as not having a Google Plus and then having a Facebook and then having a Twitter, where they're all personal and you're dropping the same information in all different places. And so far I've been kind of playing around with the Google Plus as far as adding people, and believe it or not, I think it's really winning in the trenches, because it just does a little bit more to me as far as the way you can interact with people. Even with my iChat over here, I have my iChat opened up. Here's a friend here I was helping out. She's a new Mac user and doesn't understand a lot, but everything kind of ties in with my iChat. Really easy, really fun, really simple, and it's pretty cool. So, let me know your thoughts on the differences between Facebook and Google Plus and Twitter and all the above. Also, before I let you go here, I met a guy on Google Plus yesterday and we were talking. Let me make his page pretty big here. Take the snapping off, and you can do that tool, the snapping tool, right here with the Better Touch tool. If you open up Better Touch, when you first open it up, it wants to default itself to doing the page snap. So it's really cool. I love it. There's a lot of times I'm doing work and I'm transferring information from here to there, or I need to look at something else as a point of reference. It helps me out a lot. But right here, Computer Software is Your Friend, is the name of the site here, and they got a lot of different tips here on Google Plus, tips and tricks, kind of helps you understand how to use Google Plus, basically. Great blog. I mean, really checking it out. I like it. The fella's name is, let me give you his information. Let me find him here. His name is not Brandon, not My Little Pony either. Here it is right here. Brandon. I'm not sure of his last name. Not going to even try to butcher it up. But here he is right here, the fella I met. He's kind of like a nerd like I am when it comes to this computer stuff. He mentioned to me through the chat yesterday that, you know, he helps his family out and friends out and stuff. He's kind of like their tech guy, you know, and that's another question. Are you your family's tech guy? You know, let me know. All right, so I appreciate you watching the video, and if you're on Google Plus, once again, my name here is Freedom McFly is my name. So come over and add me. If you're on Facebook, my name over here is Freedom McFly. Come on over here and add me. And if you're on Twitter, let me pop open my Twitter here for you. Twitter. My name over here is Freedom McFly as well. So no matter where you are, no matter what you're doing, no matter what network you're on, add me if you're interested in learning more about how to operate your Mac. All right, I thank you and have a great day.